When Bob flies, he likes to do two things besides fly. He likes to tell jokes and he likes to sing. He does neither one of those very well. But while he's got you at least 1,000 feet above the ground, I strongly suggest you laugh at his jokes and tell him what a great singer he is. Once you launch and you're flying over a farm area, the cows will moo at you, the horses will almost ignore you, but I don't care whether it's a residential area or a farm area, the dogs will bark like crazy. You cannot sneak up on a dog in a hot air balloon.
Wow. We are filling the balloon with hot air. If you have any hot air, just let it go now, because the balloon needs it.
Passengers, if you come around the front, please. Need some more. Cable's good.
Okay, this is
Looking
just so beautiful.
good. Everything's a-okay. The other balloons are obstacles. Balloons below have the right of way, but anytime you see a balloon close, you might just talk about it. But the reason the balloons below have the right of way is because we can't see what's above us. So hopefully they're watching out for us too. The challenge, we technically capable of changing batteries.
It's so calming, it's so peaceful.
Very peaceful, very quiet.
Isn't it beautiful?
You can hear